At the next roundabout, take a left, first exit. Lina, not this left, the other left. Thank you. We only have one left, this way. Okay?
Not this left.
Eh? Not this left, the other left, right?
Another. Oh, Dios.
It's a joke, okay?
Yeah. This won't try.
At this roundabout, take a left, first exit. Now look and tell me, can we go or we stop?
Stop.
Okay, let me know when we're going.
Okay. Go.
Good, go. That's it, very good. Keep the left indicator on. No, left. That's it. And now cancel. Next roundabout, take a left, first exit.
Okay.
It's a roundabout coming up. Slow down, Ali.
Yeah.
More slow down, more slow down.
Yeah.
They're very, very close to each other.
Yeah.
Okay?
Go.
Good. And go straight on in here. Next roundabout, go straight on.
Okay.
At the next roundabout, take a left, first exit. Lina, not this left, the other left. Thank you.
Not this
We only
left.
have one left, this way. Okay?
Not this left.
Eh? Not this left, the other left, right?
Another. Oh, Dios.
It's a joke, okay?
Yeah. This won't try.
At this roundabout, take a left, first exit. Which left? It's okay. It's okay. All right. Very good. Now you're not forgetting anymore, eh?
Okay. Go.
Good. Keep the left indicator on until that yellow alerts.
Okay.
Until that point, keep it on.
Keep you on.
No.
Okay.
Until this point, keep that on.
Okay.
Now finished, cancel it.
Okay.
Okay? So that till that point, you're still on the roundabout.
Okay.
Okay? Go left, first exit. No. First exit here.
First, yes.
Yeah. But where's the indicator? Not now.
No,
At the roundabout.
Yeah, at the roundabout, yeah.
Good. We are going straight on. Second exit. Not on the bricks, but in the middle. That's it.
Yeah.
There's a one lane in the middle.
Okay.
2 lane, then go left and right. Okay? Take a left, first exit. Mirror check was missing.
Yeah.
Center mirror, left mirror, then indicator left. Okay? Lina, if you think you've missed the indicator and you've missed the mirror check and put the indicator on, cancel the indicator, check the mirrors, and then put the indicator back again. This is the way you'll tell your brain that you made the mistake and now you're correcting it. Very, very soon you will see you correcting now.
Lina, se você achar que perdeu o indicador ou se perdeu a verificação do espelho, coloque o indicador, cancele o indicador, verifique os espelhos e depois coloque o indicador novamente. Esse é o jeito de você dizer para o seu cérebro que você cometeu o erro e agora está corrigindo.
Okay.
Muito em breve, você vai perceber que está se corrigindo.
You got it?
Yes.
What it says? Tell me.
Sim. O que é isso? Me diga o que está acontecendo, se você está com alguma dúvida ou se quer esclarecer algum detalhe.
Okay. If you have confused, that's okay. We practice, we get the confusion out the way.
Não foi isso que eu disse. O que eu disse é que, se você se confundiu, tudo bem. A gente pratica pratica e a gente tira essa confusão.
What we want to practice now, if I say going left and you put the left indicator, not check the mirrors, I want you to cancel the indicator and then check your center mirror, left hand door mirror, and put the indicator back again.
Então, vamos praticar agora. Se eu disser para ir para a esquerda e você colocar o indicador esquerdo, sem checar os espelhos, eu quero que você cancele o indicador, verifique o espelho central, o espelho esquerdo e o espelho direito, e depois coloque o indicador novamente.
If you can do this, we are ready to move to the next stage.
Se você conseguir fazer isso, a gente está pronto para passar para a próxima etapa.
Okay?
Então, primeiro, eu vou olhar os espelhos, checar os espelhos, indicar e ir, né?
Okay, so first I will look at the mirrors, check the mirrors, signal, and then go.
Yes.
Ok.
At the roundabout, take a left, first exit. Careful. Just tell me when you're going.
Ok.
Okay? Good. At the roundabout, take a left, first exit. What was missing? Cancel it. Check again. And put it back again. That's it. That's what we want to practice.
Ok.
Same yellow bullet, indicator on. This roundabout, go straight on, second exit.
Ok.
What's missing? That's it. At this roundabout, take a left, first exit. Which one was first?
The mirror zone.
Yeah. There you go, another one of us. Carry on going. Do you want to keep practicing this or move to the next stage?
The next.
Next, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. And we can practice while you do the next thing, this as well, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. So, okay, let's go. Let's try.